Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you are watching me. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a flawless base for your acne prone skin. And this is my real face, you guys. There are a lot of acne over here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how to create a flawless base without using any expensive products, क्योंकि बहुत easy होता है to buy high end products like MAC, Smashbox, Estee Lauder, all of that, or then you can just hide your pimples. I'm not going to do that, or high end concealers. I'm using very basic minimal Maybelline products to hide my pimples and acne spots. So yeah, that is what we are going to do today. Or I'm really sorry for this construction noise, because I have made my peace with it कि हमेशा in every video there's going to be a construction noise, because people are buying flats above mine and उनका interiors चल रहा है. So I'm really sorry, but you have to deal with it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have removed all the hairs from my face. So firstly we'll begin with skin prepping, क्योंकि skincare is the most important part to have a flawless routine with or without acne prone skin. तो सबसे पहले हमको करना है skincare, for which I am starting it with this serum from Nykaa Skin Potion. This is the serum which I have used in every video of mine. I'm going to take some on my hand serum, and then I'll just rub my palms, because I don't want to pour the serum directly onto my face, otherwise it won't work as well. So yeah, this is how you are supposed to apply your serum. Apply it on the neck as well, because you want everything to be flawless. See, as you can see, it's glowing, right? It's glowing, right? And so the first step is done. Moving on, I am going to use this Lakme 925 aloe vera gel. So after that we are going to use this aloe vera gel from Lakme. This you can use on your eyelids as well, because it's aloe vera. So then I'm going to use this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Yeah, so I'm going to take some on my hand. See, ये सब बहुत ही inexpensive है, और अगर आपको expensive moisturizer चाहिए तो then get the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. It's highly hydrating, and I'm going to buy that very soon. So before that, let's just use this moisturizer. अच्छे से moisturize your face and all of your body, you guys, because firstly it's winters, and then everyone needs a good moisturized face and hydrated face. So as you can see, I am done with the skincare part. We are done, and look at the glow from within, Next on, we are going to move to a primer. After the moisturizer, again I'm going to use a basic primer. It's the most inexpensive primer in Nykaa, I guess. So I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up a bit. Then I am going to use it on the T-zone of the face first, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. Firstly the T-zone. See, this is the T. So yeah, those are the most important part. I also forgot to tell you एक चीज़ कि मैंने पहले से लिप बाम लगा के रखा था. I was using a basic Vaseline. तो yeah, that is the thing. पहले से लिप बाम लगा लिया करो whenever you are starting a makeup while you are doing the skincare part. तभी आप लिप बाम लगा लिया करो, तो then your lips will be prepped for the makeup, for the lipstick. Primer is done as well. अभी मूव ऑन करेंगे टू द कंसीलर. सो अगेन आई एम यूजिंग द वेरी कॉमन LA Girl Pro concealer and I am in the shade pure beige. So this is my shade. I am using this very common and basic concealer and the price is I guess 600 for this one. We will conceal all the places where we have acne or the acne spots. So start with this. See, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. Okay, so excuse me for that. Forehead. अगर आप आईज पहले कर रहे हो तो देन ऑन योर आईलिड्स एज वेल. On my eyelids as well, even though I'm not doing any kind of eye makeup. This is how I conceal my face, and this is the beauty blender I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna damp it with this spray. This is the Wet n Wild one. So it's damped, and then I'm going to start blending it. Start with your under eyes. See, once your eyes are done, to get over with the nose, on the forehead nicely, and then I'm gonna move on to this region where I have used my concealer over the acne and acne spots. So just dab it like this. Just press it from the bottom part. See how beautifully it is concealing. Then after we are done with this concealer, we'll move on to the foundation. I'm using this basic 24 Hour Super Stay Maybelline foundation, and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So yeah, this is my shade. We'll take just little, not a lot, because you know when you use concealer पहले तो foundation को बहुत थोड़ा सा लगेगा. अगर you are not using a concealer beforehand and first off if you start with the foundation, तब आपको foundation बहुत ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ेगा, and इससे क्या होता है makeup थोड़ा cakey लगता है according to me. So I use a concealer first, then this one, very little, you can see this much only. अभी क्या करना है, इसको will even it out स्किन में ही. Then just build in your foundation, okay? Build your makeup. पहले से बहुत सारा नहीं लगाना है, बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाना है, and then you wanna build it nicely. If you need more, you can take more. So let's start with this much only, and don't forget your neck, guys. Also, if you're wearing this very low neckline top like me, don't forget this part as well. Don't forget to put on some makeup on this part. And if you're using off shoulder top, if you're wearing an off shoulder top or sleeveless top, please put on some makeup on this arm area, on the upper limb. So yeah, we'll start blending it nicely. Also at this price, this foundation gives an amazing coverage. So if you're looking for a drugstore full coverage foundation, go for it. It's amazing. Now we are done with the foundation. You can stop here with your foundation and concealer and move on to the compact or you know the loose powder part, but what I personally prefer is I take another concealer and I take a shade lighter than my skin, a shade or two lighter than my skin, so that if there are any dark spots or dark circle or anything, I can hide it with this one. So I am going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and I am in the shade 100 Ivory. So yeah, I'm going to use this concealer a bit. So I'm going to take this concealer and put little bit under the eyes, onto the nose, little bit over here, and where I had acne spots. And and I'm gonna blend it now. So I am done with the blending part and my skin looks white. So for the next part, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder for good finishing and to hold on to the makeup. So iske liye what I will do is take some on the lid. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर लेना है, डिप सम. सी आई गो फॉर बेकिंग क्योंकि बेकिंग वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर मी. अगर आपसे बेकिंग नहीं होता है तो जस्ट टेक अ ब्रश, ऐसा कोई ब्रश ले लो आप एंड देन पूरे फेस पे आप थोड़ा थोड़ा सा लूज पाउडर लगा लो. तो दैट वे ऑल्सो यू कैन होल्ड ऑन टू योर मेकअप. फॉर मी आई एम गोइंग टू बेक माई फेस अंडर द आईज. अभी यही वाला ब्रश लेना है, जो थोड़ा सा इसमें लूज पाउडर है उसको लेना है, टैप इट और पूरे फेस में यूज इट लाइक अ कॉम्पैक्ट. ये बेक होने देंगे. तब तक हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्टली आई विल कंप्लीट माई आईब्राउज एंड कम टू यू. सो आई एम डन विथ माई ब्राउज. अभी आई विल मूव ऑन टू द कॉन्टूरिंग पार्ट. तब तक बेक होने देंगे. जितना बेकिंग का टाइम दोगे उतना ही अच्छा आपका फेस बेक होएगा. एंड फॉर द कॉन्टूरिंग पार्ट, द ब्रॉन्जर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इज द ट्राई शुगर मिनी Contour Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Top Topper. I'm gonna take this contouring brush and then you wanna squeeze in your face like this. This gives a shape to the face. I love a lot of contour. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा contour हो जाता है like this, then also you do not need to worry. Let me complete the contouring first, then I'll show you what to do in that case. Because I have a very big forehead, I'm going to contour the upper part of my forehead to make it look smaller. It's very very wide. If you have a very little forehead, then you do not need to contour your face like that. Take an angular brush like this, then take some contour onto the brush. Done. All you have to do is blend this really nicely so that these lines are not visible. You're done. Look at that nose, you guys. तो contouring हो गया है. अभी we'll move on to the blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush that I'm gonna use, and it's in the shade Farday Juice. It's shade number 50. Take a blush brush like this, and then take some that. Then you want to start from the back, alright? So in order to avoid a lot of blush onto your cheekbones, so you start from the back and then come to the, just smile widely. Repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing on this side as well. Take some. Start from the back. Then come to the front part. I don't mind a little bit of more blush because I love blushes. Nothing is a lot of blush for me. just like that we are going to do that. See, so much of blush. I'm gonna put some on my nose and then on my chin, and I'm done. See, if you can see, I have a lot of contouring and blushing over here. So what I'm gonna do is take the beauty blender, take some loose powder again, just like that. We'll do on the both side so that even lage. Done. We'll let it bake for some time. We'll let this part bake for some time. In the meantime, we'll take this off, the excessive powder. We'll just sift through it, use some highlighter. In the meantime, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter, highlighting powder. It's in the shade Blossom Glow. I'm going to take this brush rather than a highlighting brush. I like this brush better, and use it on the high bones. Look at that pigmentation. Some over here. Some in the inner corner. And that's it. We'll add on some lipstick. I'm going to use this Nykaa Molten Matte in the shade Rachel 01, and this is a lip and cheek color, so you can use this as a blush or as an eyeshadow as well. But I am not using any lip liner today. In the next video we're going to use some lip liner, so it's the last part is removing this, so we are ready, I guess. Lid downwards like this, and see, face is all even with the makeup, and you're done. One last step I'm gonna add. Take some highlighter, take a big brush because it will take a lot of time otherwise. Pull out your collarbones and highlight them. It's as simple. So we are done with the makeup. The last and the finishing step is this setting spray. And done. So this is how my makeup turned out. I have just put on some mascara, and that's it. We are done. So tell me guys if you can see any acne or any pimple on my face. There's none, right? I know, right? It's amazing. This routine is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's a very, very genuine video, and I am so happy that it turned out so flawless, so that you guys can try it as well. And I have used all drugstore products. None of these products were high-end. So yeah, that is how my makeup turned out, and I'm so happy that it turned out this way. And I'm gonna see you super soon in my very next video. We are gonna do some unboxing, I guess, fingers crossed. And yeah, I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा हो, and I'm so happy. Genuinely, अगर आप लोग ये routine try करते हो, do comment down and tell me how it is. And I'm so happy for creating a makeup video after so long. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon. And yeah, bye guys. That's it for this video.